what differentiates you from your competition? Okay, what is it that makes the difference? Let's look at some of the things that makes a difference. First, price doesn't make a difference. Okay, I want to let you know that only 14% customers, buy based on price alone. And this is a big research done in United States, by the way. All research is based in United States. In India, if we complete census once in 10 years, we'll be lucky. But all these research only happens in the United States. So they say that only 14% customers in US buy based on price alone. India cannot be far different. Maybe even if you double it, then still we have 70% customers who don't base their decisions on price. Let me prove it to you. Okay. So let's do a small experiment. Okay. I have this box. I'm saying, I know you very well, so I'm going to offer you this box at 20,000 rupees. It has a nice gift inside it. How many of you will pay me 20,000 rupees to get this gift box for you? Just type yes if you will buy, and no if you will not buy in the chat box. Go ahead and type now. How many of you will buy this? Let's hear some answers. Let's see what people are typing. No. Okay. Krishna is blind faith and blind trust. He's going to buy from me if I sell anything to him. So Krishna, I'm selling you my coaching services. Let's go. Subtle pitching. Okay, got it. Okay. So let's look at this. Okay, so because I know you guys and you've been coming to my mastermind, you've been honoring that. I will give this to you at a discount. I will give this to you at 10,000 rupees, 50% discount straight away. Now, any takers at 50% discount? Any takers? Anybody saying, "Achal, 50% mein le leta"? Achha, no. Tahir is going to buy. Tahir, you have spare money, man. You live in Dubai, in Burj Al Khalifa suite. What are you talking about? Okay, got it. What if I gave this to you for 5,000 rupees, like a 75% discount? Are there any takers like that? Harshit is, not, he doesn't trust me at all. He's saying, "Pagal ho gaya, tu kaun hai bhai? Side mein aa zara." You can see that. Thank you very much. Okay, got it. And the whole idea is, what if I opened the box for you and I showed that there is a Rolex watch which is worth 90,000 rupees, which I was willing to sell you for 5,000. Now you will say, "आप दो बेचते, दो दे देना मेरे को ऐसा, मैं तेरे को 5 नहीं 10,000 देता हूँ, लेकिन 2 डब्बा चाहिए." Right? And that's the whole game, right? Now tell me, why did you not buy from me? Did you not buy from me because it was costly, or did you not buy from me because you didn't know what you're getting? Number one, costly. Number two, did not know what I was getting. So why will I pay you any money? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Brilliant. Okay, perfect. So you get the point, right? No amount of money you can keep giving discounts or sell it for cheap and etc. Till people don't understand the value of what they are paying for, it's not going to get. They're not going to get it. Okay, Sandeep, can you mute everyone, please? Okay, thank you. Okay, perfect. So, you will not buy this stuff unless and until you don't understand the value of what you're buying. And when you see the value, that is the comparison to price. So price is always compared to value. When you differentiate yourself from the competition, your messaging, your marketing, your advertisement, the way you talk to your customers, everything very clearly communicates the value that you are providing. And that is why people will pay you a lot of money. Otherwise, they won't pay you money. Now, my job in the next 15 minutes is to explain to you how value works, what are some of the parameters to create the differentiator, and give you a formula so that you can start talking about your differentiator using an elevator pitch. And you can use this elevator pitch in all your marketing, in all your advertisement, in the way you communicate with your clients, so that they can clearly see the differentiator and the value that you provide. Okay, so let's go from there. Okay, so first let's understand value. Okay, the definition of value is benefits minus cost. What I get minus what I have to pay. Okay, Now, what I get benefits is personal. Okay, for everybody, it's going to be a different benefit. Benefit means मेरे कष्टों का निवारण, मेरे problem का solution. How am I going to personally get benefit out of this? Okay, so if I buy from you any product or any service, मेरे को क्या फायदा होने वाला है? मेरे को personally. Okay, that's why it's personal. It is also emotional. All buying decisions are emotional decisions. They are only justified logically. So please write this down. All buying decisions are emotional decisions, justified logically. Hard benefits and soft benefits. Hard benefits are price, etc. Soft benefit is all your emotions and emotional benefit. Okay, so all that is soft benefit, convenience and all that. I'll explain what soft benefits as we go ahead. But is the definition of benefit clear to you? If it's clear, type yes in the chat box so I know it's clear. Anybody not clear, please repeat one. Okay, got it. Okay, got it. So first, let's look at value. Value मतलब benefits minus cost. मुझे क्या मिला, उसके सामने मैंने क्या दिया. अगर मुझे जो मिला उस और जो मैंने पे किया, वो मेरे को जो मिला वो ज्यादा है और पे किया जो कम है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगेगा कि मुझे वैल्यू मिला है. ओके, नहीं तो मुझे वैल्यू नहीं मिला. अच्छा, जब मुझे मिला है वो खाली प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस फिजिकल हार्ड की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं. जैसे आपने 25,000 रुपया दिया, आपको एक फोन मिला, तो फोन वर्सेस कैश नहीं बात कर रहा हूं. उसके साथ में मेरे को पर्सनली क्या बेनिफिट है. जब मैं वो फोन लेके घूमता हूँ, मेरा रेपुटेशन बढ़ता है. 25 लोग मुझे पूछते हैं, अरे क्या मस्त फोन है, ओके, कहाँ से लिया, कौन सा फोन है, कितने में पड़ा, तो मेरे से डिस्कशन करते हैं, मेरा भाव बढ़ता है उससे. तो ये पर्सनल बेनिफिट है, इमोशनल है ये. ओके, सो हार्ड बेनिफिट के साथ में सॉफ्ट बेनिफिट भी है. तो ये दोनों बेनिफिट्स मिलके बेनिफिट का पैकेज बनता है. खाली पैसा दिया, सामने सामान लिया, वो नहीं, उसके साथ में और भी एडिशनल सॉफ्ट बेनिफिट्स है which we are going to talk about as we go ahead. But is this point clear to you?
Sanjay, can I jump in?
Yes.
So as far as hard and soft benefit is concerned, and since we've talked about an airline before, I'm going to give the example of an airline, our national carrier, Air India. Okay, so it's in the airline industry, Air India has got the best hard benefit right now in the country. What I mean by that is the kind of seats that they have. That's a hard benefit. There is no seat like Air India seat right now. Even now, there's no seat like Air India seat. Even the food quality is very nice till date right now. But when we go to the soft benefit, it sucks because the entire experience of the air hostesses or the on-time performance, the experience of a customer is still very bad. Even though it has a great hard product, the whole experience of an emotion is still not satisfied, and thus it is where it is right now. That's what I wanted to say.
Perfect. Thank you very much for sharing that. Now let's look at cost. Cost has three elements to it. One element is, of course, the price that we pay. Then the effort it takes to utilize the product or service or to do business with you. And finally, the risk I'm taking of doing the business with somebody who I don't know or who doesn't have a great reputation in the market, etc., etc. So price, effort, and risk. ये एक तरफ है और पर्सनल, इमोशनल, हार्ड एंड सॉफ्ट बेनिफिट्स एक तरफ है. मैं हमेशा तोलता हूं और अगर मुझे लगता है कि बेनिफिट का पलड़ा भारी है, इफ दिस साइड इज हेवियर देन द कॉस्ट साइड, देन आई एम हैप्पी टू डू बिजनेस विद यू. आई विल हैप्पीली पे यू द मनी एंड डू द बिजनेस विद यू. अदरवाइज आई विल गो लुकिंग फॉर ऑप्शंस. So now your job when you're differentiating is not only talk about कि अगर आप मुझे 2 लाख रुपए दोगे तो मैं आपका एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सा घर इंटीरियर डिजाइन बना के दे दूंगा. You also have to talk about how will you experience the house, how will you feel when you live here, how will your friends and relatives when they come to see the house, what kind of appreciation you will get, what kind of surprise people will feel jealous when they see your house. These are all emotional benefits. So hard benefits and soft benefits both are required, and you need to start looking at how do you position your business to give both. Okay, I'm going to give you a few more examples. I think, Sandeep, we are going to go ahead of 12:45 today, but I'll give you a couple of more examples just to make this extremely clear. I hope you're as excited as I'm getting excited, but here's the deal. Let's look at a restaurant, okay? why do we go to a restaurant? Why do we take a call of going to a restaurant? Okay, I need somebody to raise your hand and have this interaction with me. So somebody raise your hand if you volunteer to have an interaction with me. We are going to have this interaction. You are going to be representing all the participants on the call, and I'm going to be me. So let's have a quick interaction. Raise your hand, Sandeep. If you can tell me who's raised their hand and unmute them, I'll have a quick interaction.
Yep, I'm waiting for a hand to get raised.
Yeah, someone please volunteer. Otherwise, I'm going to pick a volunteer from myself and just go ahead and do it. Okay, Harshit has raised his hand. Harshit.
Yep.
Harshit, unmute. Okay, Dinesh, we saw you, but I'm going to go with Harshit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead, Harshit.
My son is getting impatient. Okay, Harshit. So, Harshit, quick question. Why do you go to a restaurant? When you take the decision to go to a restaurant, why do you take that decision?
To experience something new, just to get a change from the routine.
Okay. What are some of the other reasons? Why do you think people take the decision of going to the restaurant?
To feel fulfilled, to feel satisfied.
Okay. So to feel fulfilled, to feel satisfied, to go for a change, we are all sitting at home, for example. I mean, not in the lockdown period. I'm just talking about we are all sitting at home and said, "Yaar, aaj kuch naya khate hain, yaar, kuch alag khate hain, kya ghar ka khana khate khate thak gaye. Let's go to a restaurant." Or I see my wife on a Sunday. She's throughout the day she's been in the kitchen. I said, "Yaar, ek kaam kar, sham ka khana mat bana. I'll take you out for a dinner. Let's spend some quality time together. Bahut din ho gaya bahar ka khana nahi khaya," and so on. Typically, that's the way we take a decision to go outside to a restaurant, right? Now, imagine you go to a restaurant and you enter, and the hotel owner is there. He's a person who's passionate about food. Okay, he's like, boss, मेरे होटल का खाना सबसे बढ़िया होना चाहिए लाइफ में, उससे अच्छा और कोई खाना नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, and he's really meticulous about his food. So as soon as you enter, you say, boss, हम लोग 4 लोग हैं, मैं, मेरी बीवी, 2 बच्चे, कहाँ बैठे? तो वो बोलता है, सर बच्चे को यहाँ बिठाओ, एक बच्चे को वहाँ बिठाओ, आप वो कोने में बैठो और मैडम को यहाँ पे लेडीज सेक्शन है, उसको बिठा दो. Would you enjoy having dinner at this restaurant?
No, absolutely not.
But the restaurant owner's business is food, right? And he's so focused on food, isn't it? He is giving you the best quality food and the best tastiest food, which is what his business is. Like, restaurant is in the business of food, isn't it?
Yeah.
But you notice.
But that is his business. But that is his business. But my business is to go there and spend time with my family and have a quality food.
Brilliant. Okay. And for you, there is no personal benefit in this system. In the way he is making you sit right now, there is no personal benefit. There is no emotional benefit. There is no soft benefit. Hard benefit है, तो पैसा देगा, तेरे को बढ़िया खाना मिलेगा. ये तो है. लेकिन personal, emotional and soft benefits are missing. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay. Now imagine if you go to this restaurant, okay, and it's a beautiful restaurant, okay, it's like made for families, okay, and they give you like a corner booth where nobody disturbs you. Your children are making a lot of noise and they don't bother. In fact, waiters start coming playing with your kids. In fact, they say, sir, बच्चों को हमारे यहाँ पे एक छोटा play area है, उसमें लेके जाके उनको थोड़ा देर खिला के लेके आऊंगा, आप लोग दोनों तब तक बैठो और enjoy our welcome drinks. If that is your experience, are you getting the personal benefit?
Yes, absolutely.
Are you getting emotional benefit?
Yes.
The food may be average. Would that still work?
That's fine. That's okay.
Absolutely. Right. And for this experience, you may even pay some premium.
Correct.
And that's what I mean by benefits, which are emotional, which are soft, and which are personal, and not only hard. Cash ke badle mein food. That is hard. That is hard benefit, obviously. Okay. Now, nowadays, hard benefits have become qualifying factor. मतलब ये hygiene factor है. अगर मैंने पैसा दिया और मुझे quality नहीं मिला ना, तो मैं आगे से धंधा नहीं दूंगा. लेकिन अगर मुझे पैसा दिया और quality और खाली quality मिला, बाकी सब extra services नहीं मिला ना, तो भी मैं आगे धंधा नहीं दूंगा. Qualifying factor. Quality services and quality products have become a qualifying factor. They are not a loyalty factor. Loyalty factors are all soft benefits, personal and emotional benefits that you get when you buy. I want to prove this to you. Thank you very much, Harshit. You can go back on mute.
Thank you.
I want to prove this to everybody on the call that we all take emotional decisions all the time, and we are always looking for emotional benefits more than we look for hard benefits. We're going to talk about that.